Well, hello, school counselors and school counselors to be. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today I wanted to share with you guys what I feel like are essentials for me to have with me wherever I am going around the school. And so I'm glad to be sharing this with you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Everything within this bag right here that are essentials that I feel like I have to have wherever I'm going around the school. Whatever it is that I'm doing, I like to keep this with me. So the items that I have in this bag right here, the number one, which is like the life support of the school, which is this walkie-talkie. So it's important for me to have this walkie-talkie with me everywhere I go, because of course you just never know when you might get a call that, maybe a student is, showing out in class, they are having a huge behavior problem, and so I need to, hurry up and get to that class to help that teacher out with that student. Or maybe a DCS case manager is in the front office and I'm not in my room for them to call me, and so they can call me on this walkie-talkie. And also so that I can hear what is going on around the school, because sometimes we use these walkie-talkies for alerts if there's something that's taking place, or if someone is looking for a particular person, I'm able to hear it on here. So this walkie-talkie has been, like I said, the life support of the school. So it's important that I have this with me everywhere I go. And instead of just, carrying it in my hand or wearing it like on my wrist, I just figured, let me just put it in this bag along with other things that I know that I would need around the school, so that I don't have to worry about it banging on things. I could just keep it in here securely. So this is the number one thing. The next thing that I like to keep in here, which I can't show you guys right now because I am actually recording with this, but it's my phone. I like to keep my phone with me. Sometimes like if I am, let's say doing lunch duty and I'm doing like jokes for the kids, sometimes I'll just use my phone to find a joke or whatever and read it off to the kids. So that's been beneficial as well. I also like to keep it because I have my work email. And so if I'm not at my computer in my classroom, and I'm around the school somewhere, and let's say my principal sends an email out, or whoever sends an email out trying to get in contact with me, or just something that I need to know, or maybe I have a meeting that is coming up, I'm able to see it show up on my phone because I have my work email on there. Another thing that I like to keep with me is sticky notes. You guys, I have to have me a pack of sticky notes or something in this bag, because there's many times where I'm on the go. A teacher might say, hey, I need you to check on this person because this is what happened, or maybe my principal wants me to call someone, and so I don't have nowhere. If I don't have nowhere to write it down, it's easy for me to forget. So I like to keep these sticky notes with me so that I can just make sure I remember things. Also, if I have like things I need to do throughout the day and it just pops up in my head while I'm doing like car duty, or while I'm doing lunch duty, or maybe I'm teaching a class, I can just jot it down really quick and put it back in my purse, pull it out, and I see. I also like to write down the things that I've done. So let's say if I've seen like 3 or 4 students, I like to write their names down and the time that I've seen them, so that I can transfer it on my Excel spreadsheet as well as in my planner. So that's why I like to keep these sticky notes with me. Another thing that I like to keep in my purse, of course, in order to write on the sticky notes, I have to have pens or a pencil. So I usually like to keep a pen and a pencil in my purse. I just recently put this highlighter in there because I had to use it for something, but I like to keep these with me, obviously, because I might be in a meeting and I need to sign something, or once again I have to write something down on my sticky notes, so it's just good to have these pens. All right, another thing that I like to keep in this bag here is my lotion, okay, or this is like hand cream. Many times I go throughout the day washing my hands and everything, my hands can feel really dry, but I like to keep hand cream with me so that I could just easily take it out and moisturize. I also have my mask that I like to keep in my purse. Just, when I have meetings or if I'm meeting with kids, I like to have just my mask with me so I can just put it on whenever I want and take it off and all that good things. So I keep my mask with me. I also like to keep hand sanitizer with me as well. I really don't like the smell of this hand sanitizer. I need to get some better smelling hand sanitizer. But I like to keep this with me because once again, if I am just getting done working with a student or talking to somebody or whatever, and I feel like I need to, put some Germ-X or hand sanitizer on, then I like to just have this in my bag so I can just pull it out and use it. So. And another thing that I like to keep in my purse is my chapstick. I like to make sure they're good and moisturized and they're not white and ashy looking. So I like to keep my chapstick with me. And in the back here is a little pocket. I actually keep my school cash in this part, and that just gives me the ability to just pass out school money, whether it's, me when I'm doing lunch duty or I'm in the hallway and I want to pass it out to a kid because I see them doing what they're supposed to. I like to keep that in there as well. So those are all the things that I like to keep in this bag. I need this bag with me everywhere I go, and it also helps me to free up my hands so that I can move around and do as I please. So thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. All right, I'll see you guys next time.